Today's topic is to check if the substring is a part of a list of a string or not. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method 1, that is a basic approach, and the method 2 by using an any method in the Python. Let's start from the first method, that is a basic approach. So first we are going to initialize our list and a string over here. After that, we are going to use a join method and an in operator. We are using the join operator to first convert all of the elements into the one string, that is a temp over here, and after that we are using an operator which is going to check that if this particular string 1 is present in our list 1 or not. If yes, then we are storing it into the x variable, and if no, then also we're storing it x variable, and we have them as an output.